Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. Apple updated its entry-level iPhone in March 2022, adding a few nips and tucks here and there along with a quiet price increase. It kept the home button and small form factor that appeals to some, but the aging design and minimal upgrades meant the new iPhone SE was coolly received by the masses, with many looking forward to the next generation and reviewers hoping Apple was planning a more radical overhaul of the device. Right on cue, rumors are now starting to appear about what that might look like. As the iPhone SE has always traditionally been one of the smallest devices Apple offers, it seems logical that the discounted iPhone 13 mini format might make its way down to replace the iPhone 6 chassis on the SE. But this is only one of several futures Apple could choose for the SE line. However, a report by Ross Young in late October 2022 claimed that Apple is also mulling a 5.7-inch display as well, which would be a new size for an iPhone. Young also says that Apple is deciding whether to use LCD or OLED for the display. In February 2023, analyst Ming-Chi Kuo reported that Apple is moving forward with a 6.1-inch OLED display for the iPhone SE4 with an overall design and features similar to the iPhone 14. The most recent rumors say the new iPhone SE will have Face ID with a notch not dynamic island, similar to an iPhone 13 or iPhone 14. It is said to be powered by the A16 Bionic, the same chip found in the iPhone 15, not the Pro model. The iPhone SE4 with a single camera, so you can probably expect a similar 12MP wide-angle lens. That one camera is said to be more or less the same as the 48MP main camera on the iPhone 15. The selfie cam is expected to be 12MP. The iPhone SE4 might be the first iPhone to feature one of Apple's own 5G modems. We expect the iPhone SE4 to feature a USB-C port for charging, as all new iPhones do, and IP68 water resistance. In essence, one can think of the iPhone SE4 as an affordable iPhone 14 or iPhone 15 with a single camera. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.